In this section, we are going to input financial information related to assets. First, assets are classified into four categories: tangible assets, tangible work in progress, intangible assets, and intangible work in progress. Each asset name here is fully editable, allowing you to customize it according to your company's financial records. For every asset, please input the latest financial details, including gross block, which is the original cost of the asset before any depreciation; accumulated depreciation as per accounting, representing the total depreciation recorded in your financial statements; accumulated depreciation as per tax, which is the depreciation calculated for tax purposes. Please make sure that gross block and accumulated depreciation as per accounting should be tallied with net block of tangible assets and intangible assets in historical balance sheet. Accounting depreciation rate and tax depreciation rate, specifying the percentage rates used under each standard. And finally, the estimated useful life of each asset, representing the period over which the asset is expected to generate benefits. In the next section, you'll see sale and disposal of assets gross block. This refers to the original cost of assets that are planned to be sold or disposed of over the next 5 years. Please input the estimated sale or disposal values for each of those years. Moving ahead, you'll find sale and disposal of assets accumulated depreciation as per accounting. This represents the portion of depreciation already charged in your financial books for the assets being sold or disposed of. Enter the projected figures for each of the next 5 years. Finally, we have sale and disposal of assets accumulated depreciation as per income tax. This reflects the total depreciation claimed for tax purposes on the assets that are being sold or written off. Again, please input the expected values for the upcoming 5 years. Once all information is entered, review your data carefully to ensure accuracy before moving to the next step. That's it.